you doing?
Cam, at the moment, this car, different extension. This car is going full send on a 100,000+ mile stock cost.
Why was this car sitting?
The heads were off because they had to get sent out, so I didn't. Wasn't gonna put it back together till the heads were.
Gotcha. What is the setup on this car again?
I believe it's stock blower. I don't think it's getting printed. No, it's got a ported blower. My bad.
Okay.
Sent it to Kong. Low side fuel system. Cam. Heads. It's a flex car, obviously. It's got all the bolt-ons. Kind of the whole shebang, dude. I mean, the little knick-knack that goes with it.
Yeah, it already had a bunch of cooling mods and stuff.
Yeah, it already had that.
Gotcha.
Stuff.
Was Jason mad when you guys did that yesterday?
Oh, we did it today, and he was real mad.
Yeah.
Yeah. He got pretty pissed off at us, so we stopped. Like, not like, oh, he got mad. No, like, he was pissed.
What do you do? Like you were timing or something.
Well, you weren't.
We were watching you make sure. Safety first, dude. Look.
Oh, I already had caffeine today. I shouldn't do this.
I love caffeine. She forced me to hold the knots. I should have whipped out my rock starter.
It's like drinking a blow pop or something.
She said it doesn't taste like cough syrup.
Alright, fire in the hole.
Dude, who like...
What?
She hates... Oh, it's a loud boy.
So that mother. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. I gotta figure it out. Hey Joe, look, I figured it out. What?
What'd you figure out, Nick?
I already sounded the post on Corvette Forum that when you first made the thread, you know I live in there, and I send it to Jimmy. I go, this mother.
Joe's secret circle has more leaks than the Iraqi Navy. What color?
And I showed him, shadow gray.
Ooh,
It's a cool looking color.
Yeah, I haven't seen one in gray yet. In person.
New. It's a new color for late production to 2019 only.
Ooh, it's gonna be a new one too. Ooh. What is the whole aero package and everything?
Big wing.
Dope.
There's no way
Dick
not
Play
to
a
do
package.
There's no. You have to do the wing.
The big swinging play up.
Are you trading one in, or are you getting rid of one?
No, I'm selling it.
Yeah, I would do that.
Trade. You can just get fisted when you trade something in.
Railed. So when does it come in?
2 months. Because it's an order.
All right, makes sense.
And I'm not good at waiting.
Yeah.
But it's probably a good thing because it'll take me 2 months to unpack my situation.
Right.
Before I need to figure it out.
The American dream. I'll figure it out later.
Yeah.
I remember when we would make 700, we were like, yeah! I was like, wow, I want to put out some power.
I remember our first 700 wheel one. We're like,
Yeah. Holy shit, this thing can make
It was
700?
yeah. I was like, what? And then
Mass Air Force answer?
Oh, don't even, Nick. Come on, dude.
It's showing like 50 grams per second less of airflow on this pole compared to
We cleaned it. It's good.
I hate these masks.
We cleaned it. Bro, it's good. We cleaned it. Look me in my eyes.
Baby eyes.
We cleaned it.
Say it without smiling. Hey, Nick.
And you'll see you're not going on.
Nick, how long is this new one of yours staying stock? How long are you not modding this one?
It all depends on how long it takes me to recover from making a bad financial decision.
It's like 3 weeks.
Yeah, the thing is like, it's not just credits. If it was just like 500 in credits.
Yeah, I'm still spending a lot of money to get into the.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be.
Can they do like an IOU on credits from HP tuners? Or?
You know, I've already developed the intake, so there's no free intakes.
No, it will be a little bit.
A little bit.
I'm gonna follow what I did with the C7Z, and that's at least break it in and make sure everything's solid before I start modifying.
So 1,000 miles?
At least 1,000 miles.
You know, they say.
Let me get a couple of oil changes in it.
You know, they say if you break them in hard, they'll run hard.
Oh, I plan on breaking it in hard. I'm just gonna break it in hard for a while.
A little bit of extra boost will just help the rings seal up. You know.
I don't believe that.
It's science. Don't question science.
It's science.
Yours, we should see how far we really can go full bolt-ons.
Yes. Yes.
What?
Like, force the blower, 2.6, meth, E.
Ice tank.
Yes. No.
You can do it. It'll be fine. I wonder how big those heat exchangers are. Like how thick they are for the blower.
I doubt you're improving on that.
Huh?
I doubt we're going to improve on it. Tune time. I'm dead. I'm doing something he doesn't want to. Looking at things on it though, it seems really easy on this.
Yeah.
Didn't even see.
Maybe it's too dark.
It's a Jedi. Probably too dark. Or is that oblivious? Do you want somebody that oblivious tuning one of your cars? I didn't even notice it was pulling like 38 degrees of timing.
I don't even know.
I had no idea.
Didn't even know. Shouldn't have to do this.
Shouldn't have to do this.
There we go. Start
Jimmy tuned.
Oh, Jimmy built, Jimmy tuned. Jimmy does it all.
Jimmy's a younger man that loves all the cars.
Yeah. Those all the Jeeps. Except the one that didn't pass emissions today. Did he tint his thing? Let's tint his
I definitely have to give Tom a ride in this. I think
Oh
if he
yeah.
doesn't get a ride,
Oh totally.
in
He
this,
deserves
he's
a
gonna
ride.
cry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna launch it on this.
Do it.
You wanna come?
I'll just hop in and I'll video from the outside.
I don't know if it's been launched before, so I'll have to play with it and see if the settings are right. There you go. I love these trucks so much.
I hope these start coming down in price.
They're one of the greatest vehicles ever. Alright. See if. Alright. Track. Oh. Ready?
That is nasty. That is badass.
That didn't even launch really good. He hasn't with any settings.
So you can launch it higher, yeah?
Oh yeah, because normally it's supposed to, when it launches, you'll hear it on a 2-step.
This one's like about 100 wheel down from Danny. And,
Danny's was a 4-wheel drive, like
it just skated.
skipping across.
It's like Evos, they just like slide around. It's badass.
It didn't launch like the other one. I need to play with his settings, but I got the log. Cool. So go ahead and hop in.
Can you stop this then?
Yeah, go ahead and hit stop. Don't close out. He doesn't have those settings turned on yet.
Which settings?
I gotta play with it.
Oh, okay.
Like I was able to hit the launch control, but it wasn't doing the like the RPM, like the.
Yeah, I didn't hear that. I thought they were supposed to do the old 2-step thing.
It will when I get it set right. Vehicle will launch at 3,000. There it is. Now it can do it. But I have to. I need to do the smart thing. Send him log.
What's that?
How's it going? Wrapping this one up. How's she treating you?
So.
It's a difficult car to work on.
This one actually was stupid easy because I just got done doing one.
Uh huh.
So now I know what I'm
Right.
which is cool.
Yeah, definitely. What was the mod list on this one again?
So it's got a ported blower by Dujan. Obviously ice tank, heat exchanger, cam, upper lower headers, flex, aux fuel system. That's about it.
Nice.
I like the color that he's got on the blower.
Yeah, it matches. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's the same color. Pretty close.
Damn close.
Maybe a little bit more, maybe a tad more flake. Is this a manual car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
So what's the deal? You got a head cam?
No head.
No head, just cam.
Cam, DSX fuel system,
Okay.
upper lower header, flex.
Big throttle body, or did it have that on there before?
No, I added it.
You added that, okay. And did you add flex?
No, that's flex. The only thing I added was the cam. So, and oh, it has a ported blower too, sorry.
So cam, ported blower, big throttle body. Okay, cam, DSX.
And I did it off the Hobbs.
Okay, sweet.
Say the sleeves aren't all that great,
Really?
and there's not as much meat to cut out to re-sleeve them. LS9s are super strong.
Yeah, LS9 is like the king of them all though, isn't
Yeah.
it? Like you can't break those.
LS2s are pretty stout blocks.
Really?
LS2s in the 6 liters.
Yeah. LS1 blocks aren't too great. The actual block will find limits around 900,000 horsepower.
Really?
Yeah, not always, but
Yeah. Do they even still make LS1s? No.
can't get them.
No crate motor or anything?
No Gen 3 anything. So you can't get even Gen 3 iron blocks or anything.
Wow.
All you can get is Gen 4 stuff now.
Is that the newest?
Gen 5 now with the LTs.
Oh, really?
The Gen 3, the cam sensor is on the back, and the knock sensors are in the center. In Gen 4, they changed it. The cam sensor's up here, and the knock sensors are on the center block. That's the main difference. This spot where I go, that's Gen 3, Gen 4.
I got another stupid question. What are these little like relief holes for?
Gas porting.
Oh, so they let some gas go through.
Combustion gas goes in, fills up the.
Do they even do that on like performance? Like pistons?
Yeah, these are aftermarket pistons.
Oh, these are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So then stock wouldn't have it.
Nope. Not that I know of. I don't know any stock vehicle that has gas ports.
That's cool.
Neat little trick.
F50s do.
Do they?
Yeah. But F50 is like a race car engine.
More info came out on that Godzilla motor.
How the f do you know that? You're like, F50s do.
I suck at parties, man.
There you go. He's
Huh?
the kind of guy you
Forged
take to the
pistons.
bar for bar trivia.
In the vet?
He has all that useless knowledge.
The
no one
Godzilla
would
motor.
think to
They
know.
announced today
What's the
it is
Godzilla motor?
that new pushrod Ford motor, that like 7.4 liter that's going in the
yeah.
trucks. Full forged rotating assembly. Same material ring pack as the Power Stroke.
I mean, it's not surprising because it's supposed to be a heavy duty engine. Like, I mean,
Dude, that thing's gonna take boost like a mother. 10.5 to 1 compression.
wow. Direct injected?
Same valve seats. Nope. Same valve seats as the Power Stroke. Intake. It's stainless exhaust valves. I think stainless intake as well.
Those
Factory boost ready motor.
These are going to be the last. I think these are going to be the last engines that you can like really f with, like, and not go too crazy with money. You know.
Yeah. That motor is going to be really cool. Slot motor.
It's getting knee.
Huh?
It's getting knee.
This is 91.
It's getting me, dude. It's a flex car.
No, that's fine. I get it. It's cool.
Only 500 on a Friday.
Towers. These engines are so impressive, man. You've done it, Lucas. You've done it again.
Something with Lucas and all the sauce, dude.